Welcome. If you're looking to never miss a new follower on Instagram, enabling vibration for new follower notifications is a smart move. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to set this up on your phone, so you'll always feel that buzz when someone new joins your community. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now look for Instagram in this list. The apps are usually listed alphabetically, so Instagram should be easy to spot. Tap on Instagram to open its settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see several options. What you want to do next is tap on Notifications. This will bring up all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Now tap on Notification Categories. Here, Instagram breaks down notifications into different groups, so you can customize exactly how you're alerted for each type of activity. Look for the New Followers option in the list. Tap on it to open the specific settings for new follower notifications. You'll see a toggle labeled Vibrate. If it's not already on, simply tap the switch to enable vibration. From now on, every time you get a new follower on Instagram, your phone will vibrate, making sure you never miss that exciting moment. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've made sure you'll always know when someone new is following your Instagram journey. If you ever want to change how you're notified, you can come back to these settings and adjust them anytime. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Enjoy connecting with your new followers.